In India, the demand for solar energy is growing rapidly. Most inverters available are on grid, which means when grid is available then only they work. In absence of grid they stop working, causing inconvenience and a loss of solar generation hours. In densely packed Indian neighborhoods, shading issues are very common. Houses are so close together that the shadow of one often falls on another. If dust or shade covers even a small part of a solar panel, it can cause all panels to work less efficiently. Most existing inverters are bulky and lack a sleek design. Existing solar inverters have live, DC wires running from the rooftop panels to the inverter, which is usually far away. These high-voltage wires are very dangerous and can cause serious accidents. These inverters are also not reliable and have less durable time. Unleash the potential of your rooftop power with the JioSpark Micro Inverter. The JioSpark Micro Inverter features dual-mode functionality. When the grid is available, it operates in on-grid mode, drawing power from both the solar panels and the grid as needed. In the absence of grid power, the inverter seamlessly switches to using solar energy to directly power your home, ensuring continuous electricity supply. One unit can be linked to 4 solar panels, each equipped with its own MPPT technology. This innovative feature enables optimal energy harvesting, even in shaded conditions, ensuring efficiency and cost-effectiveness. These inverters are sleek and can be easily fitted below panel itself. With inverter just below the solar panel, this eliminates the need for long-lived DC wires. With a 25-year warranty and IP67 rating, it's built to withstand water and dust, making it suitable for floating solar installations as well. Utilizing Jio's integrated assets and IoT technology, we have the capability to remotely monitor and analyze solar performance via our Sanjini user-friendly portal and Sanjini mobile application. Embrace uninterrupted power, lower your bills, and become part of India's energy revolution with JioSpark Micro Inverters.